You know what's crazy? When you make an investment in anything that's not yourself, like let's say you're investing in crypto or whatever, you're basically saying that that investment is better than you, essentially. Because like y'all got to think about it. You might be a credit repair business owner that's watching this, and you're just like, okay, I got investments in crypto, I got investments over here. You got that investment in Bitcoin, but when you so scared to invest in yourself to get like your business to the next level, the crazy thing is you're literally saying that that Bitcoin investment is better than you. Let's take, for example, let's say, let me even Google what Bitcoin is right now. Hold on. I don't know if it's like 40,000 or something. Hold on. So Bitcoin is currently 40,000, so like 46,000. Let's just say 50,000 just for round numbers. Let's say you got $1,000 in Bitcoin. In order for you to double your investment to get to 2,000, Bitcoin has to get to 100,000. So you think that your small $1,000 investment is going to turn into 2,000 based off of Bitcoin going 100,000 versus you having a mindset of, okay, I'm going to bet on myself, I'm going to invest in myself, and I'm going to get to the next level. Think about it. That's basically what you're saying. If you invest $1,000 in Bitcoin, you're waiting for it to double to go to 100,000. Is it gonna get to 100,000 before Jesus Christ comes back? We don't know. You know what I'm saying? No, but I say that to say today's video, we're gonna talk about why 99% of credit repair business owners stay stuck. And from what I've noticed, a lot of it is mindset. I know a lot of times people are like, oh, mindset, sounds like fluff or whatever, but mindset is really true. And that's why I want to talk about that in this video. If you're new to me, you don't know me, my name is Michael Benjamin. I help credit repair business owners scale with predictability. And what I mean by that is just helping credit repair business owners make more money online as far as establishing a bulletproof deletion system, right? Because one of the biggest things in credit repair is not being able to have predictable deletions. So the way that we do it, we're able to use these consumer laws, not Metro 2. We're able to use these consumer laws to be able to set ourselves up to where if we need to sue the credit bureaus, debt collectors, etc., we can go ahead and do all that. So that gives us a level of predictability. Nothing's going to be 100%, but that's how I help my students create a bulletproof deletion system. On top of that too, I help my students create a bulletproof lead generation system. This goes back into your marketing, right? One big problem in credit repair too is people don't understand where they're going to get their next client. You feel me? So that's one thing that we go over as well. So I help credit repair business owners basically make more money online. And from, the many testimonials I have, many students, I just want to walk through why 99% of y'all stay stuck. You might be working a 9 to 5 right now. Maybe you're in a different business right now. You make at least 6 figures a year. You're investing in this Bitcoin, you're investing in all this crypto. You're leaving your money there. You're leaving your money in the bank. You're basically saying that they're a better investment than the investment in yourself. You're saying that they are a better investment than an investment in yourself. So we're going to talk about it and just go through. Like I said, some of y'all might be making 6 figures a year already at your business, at your job. Not your credit repair business, but I'm just saying like, as far as your 9 to 5 situation. So you're just learning to turn up. You're looking to turn up your credit repair business. Even if you're making 6 figures already in your credit repair business, there's always room for improvement. So we're just going to walk through it and go from there. So number one, right? This is the first stage of a credit repair business owner. It's an amateur. The first stage of a credit repair business is an amateur, someone that's making 0 to 5K a year. So when we look at the characteristics of someone that is an amateur in credit repair, they are someone that uses strictly Metro 2, factual disputing. Metro 2 are factual disputing. They have no system for deletions as well. So it's very unpredictable. It's very, very unpredictable, right? They have no system for marketing. They don't necessarily know how they are going to get their next client. They have a poor mindset, right? We always talk about poor people and their poor mindset. Remember, the word mindset means how your mind is set. So that's why I'm more intentional about putting out mindset videos for y'all, because I think that even if you're not my student, technically y'all are my free students that's watching the YouTube. So I still want to educate y'all and help y'all get to the next level and make more money online. You know what I'm saying? Because just in my situation, I was able to leave my 6-figure chemical engineering job based off of my credit repair business, and been able to see the blessings of, starting a credit repair business and being able to take it to the next level. So I say that to say, you really want to make sure that you're investing in yourself and getting to the next level. So the 0 to 5K a month mark person as well, maybe they're just doing cold outreach. One big factor about them, they are afraid to invest in themselves. They're afraid to invest in themselves. I'm gonna be transparent. The amateur level, when I started my business, I had already invested in a mentor. So I was always past that 0 to 5K a month mark. Obviously, when you're just starting, taking on free clients and all that, maybe, I was there for a little bit, but I quickly got to that credit repair business owner stage, which is what we're gonna get to. I'm gonna tell y'all about the third level, which is where I'm at currently. So they're afraid to invest. Maybe they are only able to get 2 to 5 clients a month or even less, right? Remember, they don't have a system for marketing. They don't have a system for getting deletions. So they don't really have happy clients like that. They got a low price offer. So a lot of credit repair business owners that are amateurs, they just tend to price like super cheap, and it might be like $500 or less. Now, granted, I know that some people, they charge at that low price and they're able to make money, but you got to understand, with that fulfillment, there's going to be more headaches and things like that. So just keep that in mind. Everything I'm saying, there's obviously exceptions. I'm not saying, oh, this is the only rule of, how things work. There's exceptions to everything. So if you one of them people that's trying to debate with me, I'm not here to debate with nobody. I'm just letting y'all know what it is. You on my video. I don't know you. You know me. So just watch the video. Don't leave no 9 to 5 comments inside comment section. We'll go from there. They got a poorly positioned offer. So maybe they don't even know who they're serving. Identifying who your target market is very, very important. Are you going after people that are just looking to be a first-time home buyer? Are you going after like a specific demographic of people? Are you going after people that just work jobs, that are looking to get into real estate? So just think about like your actual offer. They're bad at sales. So a lot of credit repair business owners that are in the beginning stages, they don't understand that you have to have sales and marketing when it comes to your actual business. So they look at it like, okay, I just need to fix people's credit. That's all I need to do. They don't understand that you should have some sales in place. You should have marketing in place. I got different departments as far as marketing and sales, So these are things that you have to understand. And if you don't understand it, you have to invest in yourself. And this is why you may be stuck right now if you're at that income level. Imposter syndrome. They just don't feel like they're worth it. That's why their pricing is super low. That's why they have a very cheap price. And then they're bad at getting deletions. They don't have a predictable system, like I said. So that happens to be the amateur. The amateur when it comes to credit repair. So when we go to the next level is a credit repair business owner. So the credit repair business owner, that 5 to 10K a month, this may be a lot of y'all that's watching this right now. You might have a high paying 9 to 5 job, but your credit repair business is the one that you want to really take to the next level. So credit repair business owners, they typically understand the basics of consumer laws. They use it to get deletions and things like that. They got an average system for getting deletions. So they get deletions, but it's unpredictable. They got an average lead generation system. So they get leads here and there, but it's not predictable, right? We help credit repair business owners scale with predictability. Sometimes they invest in themselves, all right? So we got to give them props for that. Maybe they're doing cold outreach as well. And then maybe they're only doing short form content. They're sleeping on the YouTube content, the long form, everything, all the elements you need to create a bulletproof lead generation system. They're sleeping on that, right? So keep that in mind. Maybe they get 3 to 5 clients bi-weekly. So every 2 weeks, 3 to 5 clients is what they're getting. So they get some clients, but it's not too much, I would say, right? It's a numbers game. So you got to have that volume as well. They got a lower premium offer, so they're charging anywhere from like 500 to just under 1,000. So it's not bad, but it's not a scalable offer. They're better at sales than the amateur. They're not the best, but they're better. They have a system in place to where it's a little bit better. They could be a one-person operation. Maybe they got one VA. Who knows? They're just stuck and they're just inconsistent. So that's pretty much what comes with the credit repair business owner. So when I first started, I was a credit repair business owner, right? So I was at that 5 to 10K a month mark. And then, like investing in myself and just learning things about just about the business, I was able to get to the next level, which we're going to talk about, which is business owner, working on the business, not in the business. So this is the current level that I'm at right now, and this is anyone that's making at least 25,000 a month and higher in your credit repair business. So keep that in mind. So credit repair business owners and business owners are different in the sense that the business owner has a consumer law system in place, right? They have a consumer law system. So basically what I teach in my mentorship program, if you can get more consistent deletions, your clients are gonna refer you out. You're gonna get more clients. You're gonna make more money. It is what it is. Like, it's simple math. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be good at what you do, right? So for example, part of having this consumer law system is being able to sue the credit bureaus as additional ammo, right? Additional ammunition. Y'all see that? Consumer ammunition tactics. Am I pointing at it? Oh, it don't even look like I'm pointing at it, but it's right there. Consumer ammunition tactics, right? My whole business. They got a bulletproof deletion system. So that goes back to what I said, as far as like just being able to sue the bureaus and understanding the laws and being able to articulate them in your letters. You know what I'm saying? They invest as fast as humanly possible. They don't make no excuses, right? Whenever I'm looking at an investment, I always look at it like, this is my whole mindset going into things. I always look at it like, okay, what would 8-figure Michael do? What would 9-figure Michael do? What would the future version of me do, right? Because a lot of times people think like, okay, I want to hit my monthly income goal and things like that, but you got to understand that it's more so about becoming the person that's worthy of that income goal. And when you just focus on your personal development, your spirituality, your physical fitness, and your mindset, it's just going to be a byproduct. You're going to hit that income goal for sure. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, they invest as fast as humanly possible. I don't look at it as like, oh, how much, it's an investment. I look at it as how much is it going to cost me if I don't go ahead and make this investment. That's why there's a disconnect between me and like the amateur, because the amateur is someone that they stuck at 0 to 5K a month, but they think that they know everything. So they don't invest in themselves. Or maybe they don't think that they know everything. Maybe they're just afraid to invest in themselves. But it doesn't make sense to not invest in yourself because, like I said, that goes back to your lack of belief in yourself. Like, literally look at your situation right now. Literally look at the performance in your credit repair business right now. If you've been stuck at that 0 to 5K, 5 to 10K, like you've been stuck there and you got money like just sitting in your checking account that's not doing nothing, you got money just sitting in some crypto that's not doing nothing, you're basically saying that that money is a better investment than an investment that you're going to make in yourself. So you don't believe in yourself, right? Some of y'all, maybe this video was a blessing for you. I helped you realize that you actually don't believe in yourself, and hopefully moving forward, now you actually believe in yourself. But that's basically what's happening every time that you don't invest in yourself. So I need y'all to realize that. The actual business owner. So they run ads and they have consistent YouTube content. They understand the whole thing about just the customer journey. Part of the customer journey is nurturing here on YouTube, right? That's what's going to allow you to build up that relationship and be able to just educate your customers and go from there. So they get 4 to 6 clients per week. So you got to think about it. If on the low end, let's just say you get 4 clients per week, and let's say your closing rate is 25%, right? That means that you just need to have, how many is it? You just need to have, if I said 25%, you need to close 1 out of 4, right? So 1 out of 4, like 4 days out of the week. That's basically what it would be. If we meet in the middle, let's say you sign 5 clients a week. Each day, your calendar on average should be, if it's 25%, it should be at least 4 people, at least 4 appointments. So just getting the numbers on there and increasing your closing rate. And then they have a higher ticket offer. So their credit repair service is at least $1,000 or more, depending on how it is. It's not just about just pricing high. It actually has to make sense. I always say that I teach my students to be the Gucci of the credit repair industry. And those of y'all that's my students, it's actual framework and things of that nature that we actually go through for it to make sense. It's not that we just say, oh, we want to price it higher, right? You gotta basically look at the CAC credit bulletproof scaling system and then look at how that relates as far as the marketing, the sales, and things like that. So, it goes deeper into the stuff I have in my mentorship, but it's just for y'all here on YouTube. So it's a scalable delivery, right? I have a sales department, I have a marketing department, and I have a dispute department as well. So we have something that is scalable. Paid traffic, like I said, running ads. If you're not running ads, you're not getting new people knowing you at a reasonably fast rate, right? They have an audience or a platform. Y'all see I'm here on YouTube. Last time I checked, we have at least like 6,000 subscribers. We got a platform on different social media platforms as well. We're in the age where people are making money online, so you got to understand that. Your personal brand is gonna take you far. Consistent and predictable business. Like I said, I help credit repair business owners scale with predictability. You need to understand how to delete these items to where it's predictable. You need to understand how to get your new clients to where it's predictable. And we could talk about sales as well, but the way that I teach marketing in my mentorship is so cold, you don't even have to be the best salesman. And that's one of the dope things about, how we structure things. So you're a business owner, not an operator. You got lots of profit, you got happy clients because you're getting results, you got a happy team, and you're just a happy entrepreneur. It's not fake laughing with the coworkers. So this is basically why 99% of credit repair business owners stay stuck. Hopefully this video brought you value. If you want to go ahead and book a call to see if our mentorship would be a good option for you. I mean, I know I'm positive like we could help you make more money and fix whatever bottleneck you have in your business. It's really just up to you just to get out of that poor mentality. If you got that poor mentality, like you're scared to invest or whatever, like think about it. What is that money doing in your bank account? That money's not doing nothing in your bank account. You watching someone on YouTube, obviously for a reason. You watching me on YouTube for a reason, because you know that, okay, I'm stuck in my business. I want to know how I can get out of being stuck out of my business. Yeah, you could watch the free information, but the free information is so good. Like you probably binge watch my YouTube. The free information is so good. So imagine what's in the actual mentorship. It gets to a point that logic has to kick in. You know what I'm saying? And I understand that, everybody's situation is different. Maybe you're in an actual situation that makes sense to where you can't actually get in at the moment. But at the end of the day, if you do qualify, we have on Shopify, catactics.com. You could literally finance the 5K. At the time I'm recording this, the premium is 5K. You could literally finance a 5K for less than $500 a month. So it's like, what's your excuse? You want to continue being stuck? You want to continue being an amateur? You want to continue being a credit repair business owner? You're not able to provide for your family? You're not able to be happier? Maybe you're working that 9-to-5 job you don't even love. Maybe you're in a business that you don't even love. You're in a business working all these hours. Maybe it's not even about money. You just want your time freedom back. You need to build a real scalable business. When you're ready to build a real scalable business, you know where to go. You know where to find us. Y'all have a blessed one.